Hey everyone, so this is going to be a quick video on how to access Google Hangouts Meet. We can start on Monday. Crazy experience trying to teach through the computer. So this is going to be a learning experience for all of us. That being said, let me go ahead and just review something that I've made in previous videos. When you have to log in to Google using your student's account. And as a reminder, that is first name underscore last name at pbvusd.k12.ca.us. The password is going to be the first two letters of your last name followed by your lunch number. So for example, for me, if I had a student account, it would be Aaron underscore Hemingway at pbvusd.k12.ca.us. And the password would be HE because that's the first two letters of my last name, followed by my made up lunch number, which is I just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because every lunch number is only 6 digits. So that is how you log into Google with your student's account. And a lot of your students should already know how to do it, but if not, you can use this information to help them. Anyway, so I went ahead and I sent out the invite and I sent a test one to my email, my personal email. So I'm going to click right here, invitation, hi math group, Monday, March 30th, 2020, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Pacific time. So it says where, click the link below to join Hangouts Meet. So you are going to click right here, meet.google.com/ all these letters and such. And so when you click on that, it's going to open up the app. And if we were in a meeting, this is what it would look like. And then you would click join now and it would go, that's how the meeting would go on. So pretty simple. If you, for whatever reason, aren't able to get here, but you have the code and your email address, quick alternate way is to go over here to this C again for clever. And again, I'm already logged in, but as long as you're logged in with your Google account, it should let you, or you should be able to just click log in and it'll log you in. You don't have to enter anything extra. So I'm going to click on Mr. Hemingway's class and then right here, Google Meet. So I'm going to click on that and then it takes me to this page right here. So join or start a meeting. You can click on, or you can use the PIN number right here. Oh wait, that's for the phone. You can use, I believe it's these numbers right here, OUY-W whatever to get in. Or you might be able to use that PIN number right here as well that is included. So you can try that and see if that'll work to get in manually. But the easiest way is to go to your Google Calendar. I forgot to mention that. It will, or no, I'm sorry. Go to your student's Gmail. And to get there, that's also really simple. It's just gmail.com, and that's how you would get there. So, and then it'll pop up in your student's email that way. So, hopefully that makes sense. As always, if you have any questions or anything, let me know. I hope this was helpful, and I will talk to you all later, and I will see, hopefully, all of you on Monday. All right, guys, take care.